Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this new product that I just received. These are the best recipes to organize your kitchen. In this box came 8 in different sizes. So this is the recipes. This is the part of it. And as you can see, are hermetic, have this plastic part. So you can be sure that your food or anything that you put inside will be in excellent conditions. This recipe was made to use in the kitchen, so you can use it to put inside some flour, some beans, coffee beans, and things like that. But also you can use it to put some things in the fridge, some food. You can use this size, for example. So I think that the pop of colors of the ones are great too. We have some reds and some purple. And the best part of this recipe is that came with these labels that you can use to put in your recipe, and you can write with this marker what is inside of this. So I'm gonna put it from simple, coffee, flour, cookies, and look. So you can put it in your kitchen, and it was so easy to identify what is inside of your recipe. So to start to use, I'm gonna put in this one that is more smaller, this dense, because I have so little. So as we can see, it's already. Here I'm going to put the rice. So as you can see, are the perfect recipes to organize your kitchen. And you can save space in your kitchen with this size and form of recipes. So I highly recommend it. See you.